19 here. We are on our way to Kickapoo for the first time since it opened again, since the pipes busted, or I don't know, the weather damage. Snowstorm, there you go. But yeah, we're currently on, what is this, 35?
Yes.
Going south?
And it is 3:04 in the morning.
3:04 in the morning. We want to get there before the crowd hits. Then we'll probably leave. But yeah, hopefully we can get some good video. We will get back to you when we get on the main road to Kickapoo. Alright, finally made it to our exit, 111, towards Eagle Pass. And our long journey begins of a straight road.
It's so dark.
It's dark. And there's really nothing to see either. Usually we have the... Whoa.
I always get confused. Sorry.
Whoa.
I always do that.
Nobody coming. You're good. Hey, there's some...
You're driving the skills here where it's kind of green, right?
Yeah, it's crazy. Here's the little convenience store. Yeah, I wanna...
You need to gas up, do it here.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yay. We're on the road. Usually we have what, like some type of... We could see like the fields and all that, but can't see them.
Yeah, usually we're...
It's too dark.
Yeah, usually it's daybreak by the time we get here. Right?
Yeah.
I don't think we ever hit it this dark before.
Nope. Alright. We'll be back once we actually get to Kickapoo. Alright. We finally made it here to Kickapoo. This is really the final stretch. Keep saying it, but yeah, this is the long road to Kickapoo. You can see there.
5 o'clock?
Yeah, 5 o'clock. There's the sign. And there's the gas station if you need something there. Okay, we're finally pulling up. Going to go park real quick.
Let's see how packed it is.
Yeah, see how packed it is.
Where's the speed bump always?
Ooh, it's a little packed.
Where's the next one, right?
I think it's more people sleeping.
Speed bump. You can bounce a little bit.
Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh.
Baby bounce.
Oh.
Not like normal when I really bounce you, because I forget it's there.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's the entrance. Yeah, it's really packed. But it's probably the Friday crowd.
Nighters.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get one over here. Yep.
Yeah, there's a spot. Our
Is there one over
normal
there?
spot. Yeah, there's one over there.
Let's go to this one over here. Oh yeah, look. Nice.
Perfect, right in front of the neon sign. Ooh, finally made it. Alright, so this is our first game back here at Kickapoo. What is this? Golden Winds Deluxe. Here are the bets. Be low rolling it as usual. There's a grand, major, minor, and mini. Hopefully we can get something. Alright, 88 cents. Here we go. First time back since the reopening again. Alright, so what do we need? Oh man, come on. Need to light those firecrackers up. Come on. Come on, Luck. Luck has arrived. drop it down to 10. So I'll give it. And we'll see about hopping on another machine. That was weird. Alright, I'll just do one more spin and get off of it. Yeah, these machines are not hitting whatsoever. I'll be cashing out here at Golden Winds Deluxe.
Hey guys, we are here at Kickapoo. This is our first time back since they closed because of damage they incurred through because of the winter storm we had here in Texas, the snowstorm. So we finally made it back to Kickapoo. They reopened a couple days ago, and we are here at our first game of the day. It's the new 88. I can't see up there, but hopefully you can see it. First time playing it here at this casino, so let's see how we do. It's kind of quiet. I don't know if there's any. Let me see if I can get the volume. Let me show you guys down here. Volume. There we go. I'm not sure if it's even turned on that loud, but yeah, it's not. Sorry about that. We need to get some of those fireworks to light up all those up there. To get the bonus, to spin the wheel. Come on, give us something. 50. Come on. I guess we need 3 of those. They don't seem very warmed up yet. 80. Nothing yet. Still a long way to go up there. But I can't give it to you randomly, so. No luck, huh? Okay, Joe's moving on, so let's give it one more spin. Okay, that was our first time here at 88 Thailand. Hey guys, we're here at Dancing Drums. Just got the bonus. The 1F, the 5. 5. Do it, hon, do it. Wait, I can't get it. I want some doggies. Doggies.
Close the pot and get the major.
Re-trigger. Oh, nothing. Re-trigger. Doggies. Oh. That wasn't very good, hun. I need a do-over. But it took me down 34 cents to even get that one. Okay, I'm gonna play the $9 lab to see if it'll give me some luck. 15.
15 for the
And I hate the doggies. I call them doggies. Come on, drum, 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 drum. 5 of them. Do it. This game used to love me, hun. Those. Oh. Close. All right, last spin. Okay, last spin. Okay, last spin. Oh, needed one on the first one. Okay, that was Dancing Drums.